a miracle through which God addresses humanity. It is the Holy Quran that enlightens every soul's path in the universe. In every story, there is a valuable lesson not just for humanity but for you, especially for you. God mentions in the Quran, the words in their stories instructions for men endued with understanding is not a tale, but a confirmation of what went before it, a detailed exposition of all things, and a guide and a mercy to any such as believe. Say, if the whole of mankind and jinns were to gather together to produce the like of this Quran, they could not produce the like thereof, even if they backed up each other with help and support. These are just some facts that were originated in the Quran. The beauty of Islam is that Allah asks human beings to think about the creations in universe and ask questions. It is considered as a worship itself. Yet we end up finding the basis of everything in the Holy Quran, which helps encouraging our faith in our hearts. Imagine traveling the whole world for years trying to find a treasure, only to discover that it is dug under your house. This is exactly what happened after spending years of research. The fact is found summed up in a verse of the Holy Quran that was sent 1400 years ago. Starting with the origin of life, it was only after the microscope was invented in the 16th century. They could research the main origin of life. At the end, they've discovered that all living organisms are originated from water. We made every living thing from water. Would they not believe? Moving on to life's miracle giving birth. Since Adam and Hawa, no one had the knowledge of what's happening inside the pregnant's body until late researchers using advanced technology. Yet, what these scientists discovered of how a sperm grows to a baby mentioned in scientific details. We created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him as a drop in a place of settlement firmly fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaqa, leech, suspended thing, and blood clot. Then we made the alaqa into a mudgha, chewed substance. Professor Emeritus Keith Leon Moore, one of the world's most prominent scientists in the fields of anatomy and embryology, it is clear to me that these statements must have come to Muhammad from God, because almost all of this knowledge was not discovered until many centuries later. Moving on to the sky and how it protects the earth from the lethal rays of the sun. If the sky did not exist, then the sun's radiation would have killed off all life on earth. It also acts like a blanket wrapped around the earth to protect it from the freezing cold of space. The temperature just above the sky is approximately minus 270 Celsius. If this temperature was to reach Earth, then the planet would freeze over instantly. The sky also protects life on Earth by warming the surface through heat retention. We made the sky a protective ceiling, and yet they are turning away from our signs. Modern science has discovered that in the places where two different seas meet, there's a barrier between them. This barrier divides the two seas so that each one has its own temperature, salinity, and density. There is a barrier between them they don't transgress. He merged the two bodies of water converging together. Between them is a barrier that they don't overrun. Allah gives us strong proof about His creation so we can wander cementing our belief, because being a Muslim is more than an emotional belief, but Allah gives us rational proof and facts of His mightiness, so we should be thankful to Allah, the All-Knowing. We have explained in detail in this Quran for the benefit of mankind every kind of similitude, but man is, in most things, contentious.